Guys, this is day 27 of my DSA challenge, and today we are going to solve this question, which is to merge intervals. So question number 56. So first we are given an array containing doublets, in short, which is like start and end, and we have to merge all the overlapping intervals and return the array containing all the overlapping intervals, in short. So for example, this array you can say starting with 1 3 2 6 8 10 and 15 18. First we have to find out the overlapping doublets, which are in this case there is two, like the 1 3 and the 2 6. These are overlapping arrays. So in short, we have to, by replacing these two, we have to return directly 1 comma 6, as you can see here. So that will be the case for this question. And this question, for example, you can see that is 1 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5. So we have to return 1 comma 5 output. And in this question 4 comma 7 1 comma 4. So we have to first sort this array and then return the intervals. So let's get to the code directly. So first we have to sort the array, that is intervals dot begin and intervals dot end. Create the vector array to store the result. I'm going to name it merged, and a previous vector to store the values. And first we are going to store the index 0 element. So start the for loop. The index will be going from 1, obviously, because the 0th index is stored in the previous interval. Not previous interval, but in previous element. I must build an intervals dot size and I increment. So if I can show you that if this, that is intervals of I comma 1. No, this is going to be I, because starting in this is going to be stored in the previous, and this will be the interval we are going to carry on. So if the intervals of I comma 0, which is this 2 and this 3, if 2 is less than equal to 3, then we are going to overlap. Like that will be the ideal case for overlapping this. So it will be intervals of I comma 0. It won't be 1 less than previous of 1. So previous is obviously a 1D array, so we are going to address the values as this is 0 and this is 1. So previous of 1 is 3, and intervals of I comma 0. I will be 1, so 0 is this 2, I comma 0 less than equal to. So then we are going to replace it. Previous of 1 will be equal to max of previous 1 and intervals of I and 1, which will be this value 6. And if it is not equal to, then we are simply going to merge it. Push by previous, and we are going to change the previous value. And if this is true, then obviously we are not going to ignore it completely. We have to add it in the merged array, merged list. So for that, merged dot pushback previous and return merge. That's it. So that is